Fusion 360 is a tool that is installed by streaming directly from the internet. To access Fusion 360, go to www.autodesk.com/Fusion360. On the website, you will find examples of what people have done with Fusion 360 in the gallery. You can communicate with others who are already using Fusion 360, and you can download the software as a free trial. You will need an Autodesk ID to connect to Fusion 360, so if you don't have one, this is a perfect time to create one. When you're ready, you will select Download, and a small file will be downloaded to your computer, an EXE for Windows or a DMG for Mac. It's important to note that you must have a 64-bit version of Windows to run Fusion 360 on a PC. Once this file is downloaded, you can use it to start the streaming install of Fusion 360. Once the streaming begins, you can simply wait a few minutes watching the progress until Fusion 360 presents the login screen. This is where you will need to enter the username for your Autodesk ID, and then on the next screen, the password. After these are entered, Fusion 360 will open, and you can begin creating your designs and working through the lessons in this course.